According to scientists, the amount of light we receive during the day can affect our well-being. Hello and welcome to IKEA 101. Light stimulates the production of serotonin, known as the hormone of happiness, and melatonin that regulates our sleep and wakefulness. This is the reason why IKEA provides home furnishing solutions that allow you to make the best of your outdoor spaces. You can use this space to find a relaxing moment during the day, and you can also recharge your batteries after work. You can bring here some food and drinks and enjoy chatting with your friends on an outdoor sofa, armchairs or stools. You can create the right ambience by adding outdoor lights or candles. The size of your space does not matter. We have solutions for everyone. Now it's time for you to get creative with your balconies. Until next time,